It is good. It is really good. It is good. It is really good. Toastmaster Kenny Dulba.
It is good. It is really good. It is good. It is really good. Yes. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yeah, this is Kenny. Kenny. Yes. Go ahead. One from overseas. What? Okay. 1 minute. She's offering me free for lifetime platinum credit card. Yes? Hello? Yes. Free valet parking. Free lounge. Free air ticket. Free. Yes, air ticket. 20% discount. 5% cashback. Insurance. Movies. This is all included? Okay, I take 3. Yes, 1 for me, 1 for my dear wife, and 1 for my girlfriend. All problems solved for the lifetime. Yes, talk to you later. Okay, I'll call you back. Who says recession is not good? It is good. It is really good. Contest chair. What is contest? Contest chair. Esteemed judges, fellow Toastmasters, and dear guests, and to those who have benefited, and to those who are going to be benefited from this recession. A very good afternoon to you. Who had thought that person like me would be chased by this multinational bank in the middle of the night? In the last 29 years, no banks ever bothered to call me to offer their services. But look at it now, thanks to recession. I have not only recovered all those missed calls in the past 12 months, but now I have also learned a great deal of telemarketing. And now I have started my own coaching classes, and I teach people in making good use of this office. Not just calls, even my mobile keeps flooded with SMSs. Let me narrate to you a couple of SMSs that I have received these days. Congratulations, Kenny. You are selected to receive a personal loan of up to 300,000 without a salary transfer. Now I call it a gift without a reason. Here is the second one. This is very interesting. Kenny, considering your continued loyalty, credit card limit on your credit card has been increased to 50,000. Yes, I have been a true loyalist. I have not even used this card in the last 12 months. You see, this recession has helped me a lot. A lot. These days, I have started going for haircut twice a month. Not because I have a lot of them, but because my barber gives me free head and shoulder massage along with my haircut. Not only that, these days also I have started coloring my hair. Guess what? I am getting a full free body massage. My dentist, how can I forget my dentist? The other day, when I went with a small toothache, he offered me to put another tooth free of cost if I pay for one. Who says recession is not good? It is good. It is really good. My wife seems to think that recession is bad. And she avoids going out for unnecessary shopping. As a result, our eating out has significantly reduced. It is good for me. I am saving a lot of money. And moreover, I have reduced by 5 kilos. And so has she. Do you all think it is additional cost in clothing? Not really. Today, I can fit into my trousers from 90s. The old fashions are back again, and I don't have to spend more. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the best of the secret. How many of you here have changed houses these days? Good number. I have. And how could I not? I have moved into a 4-bedroom spacious villa for the cost of 2-bedroom apartment a year ago. When my landlord came to know about this, he immediately offered me 50% discount. On top of that, he said, "Sir, you can pay this in 12 monthly installments." I said, "No." He said, "Sir, you can stay one month free." 1 month free on an apartment, rental apartment? Never heard of it. Look at me today. I am wearing a branded jacket. Branded jacket. Thanks to the recession, I took advantage of buy one, get two free. This is free. You will see me in T-Tech Jordan with another branded. I am saving the best one for that one. My dear friends, recession gives us the time to think smarter, to align our goals, to plan for the future and come out victorious. Moreover, there is plenty of money in the banks that they can make those offers. My friends, there are free massages, rent salon. So let's enjoy recession. Be good, be positive. Who says recession is not good? It is good, it is really good. Over to you.
The plan said you can have 1 cup of rice on day 5. In fact, I looked at the knowledge plan to see if rice is prescribed earlier so that I can migrate to a new plan. But alas, no such luck. Finally, day 5 arrived. Me and my wife had a huge argument on what the size of the cup should be. And after a lot of fight and debate, we finally decided that this is the cup.
Years later, I was wheeled in for another surgery. I told you I was a doctor's delight. Many of them here in this room, including Dr. Balu Vijaykumar, they made a career with me. He bought a new gleaming Lexus. Guess who paid for the bills? Me. In fact, years later when I was wheeled in for the surgery, but this time it was for my back. They gave me that hospital gown again. But for some reason this one had teddy bear designs. I felt I was in a pediatric.
Profit and loss account. I could take detailed charts and make detailed calculation of my earnings. And I came to the conclusion that I can hardly afford 2 cups of tea in Venice with my Indian salary of ₹3,000. I did not have any option, so I paid all my